Hey viewers, welcome to AdvoTalks Courts Bulletin. I am Siraj and we are going to bring you some important legal developments that took place across India. Let's look at the top stories. The Supreme Court of India expounded that the conviction of the appellants purely based on the oral testimony of the interested witnesses without sufficient corroboration would not be sustainable. The apex court mentioned that the kind of evidence which is partially reliable and partially unreliable represents a challenge and shall need a corroboration from direct or circumstantial evidence. The Vadodara Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission said hospitalization is not mandatory for medical insurance payouts. The Consumer Court observed that with advent of new technologies, people are being treated quickly and that too without a hospitalization in many cases. The Meghalaya High Court took suo motu cognizance of the state's plans to deploy 160 companies of CRPF to stop illegal coal mining in 12 districts of the state. The court rejected the grandiose blueprint prepared by the state government to deploy 100 companies in the eastern range and 60 companies in the western to curb the menace of illegal mining. The Karnataka High Court has quashed a sexual harassment complaint lodged by an employee against her manager 3 days before her work contract with the private company was to end. The petitioner had approached the court challenging the order by which the trial court rejected his discharge application. The court observed that sexual harassment in open places like shopping malls is highly improbable. A special CBI court in Mumbai has acquitted 2 accused in a case pertaining to an attempt to murder of the industrialist Nusli Wadia. The accused Ivan Sequeira and Ramesh Jagotia were acquitted for want of evidence by Special Judge S.P. Nayak Nimbalkar at the CBI court. The Calcutta High Court ruled that the mere existence of marital discord between a husband and a wife could not be a sufficient ground for holding the husband responsible for abetting his wife's suicide. The High Court released a man and his mother who had previously been found guilty by the lower court for abatement of suicide and committing cruelty towards her as per sections 306 and 498A of the Indian Penal Code. That's all for now. Keep watching AdvoTalks. For getting more updates, press the bell icon. Do like and share the videos on our YouTube channel, AdvoTalks.